Thought the praise would make it better, but I swear to God I'm just as lost as ever. Thought the bottle would hold me over, it still hurt me just as bad when I got sober. Everyone around me found a way to let it go, but I can't help but focus on the things I can't control. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach if I keep buying time. I stopped going out to bars, I quit smoking. Thought that giving that all up would keep me going. I got over people pleasing. I quit falling into love that had no meaning. I could search forever for a peace I'll never know, but I can't help but focus on the things I can't control. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach if I keep buying time.
Morning! Ay! sorry, hindi nakatingin. Hello! Sabihan mo nga ako pag ano, para hinaan ko yung volume. Sabi mo na, mag-vlog siya. May natutunan ba yaw kanina? Kasi minsan mali daw yung inaano ko sa yung copyright ba sa doon sa inano sa akin. Day, ang sabi wrong ano daw link.
Wrong link ba yun?
Naiirita. Balik na naman ako, ayusin hanapin ko. So mayroon ako pinapanood sa Finland ang ginagawa niya, gusto ko yung mga music niya kasi para mga piano-piano lang dahil.
O sa kung adaghan sa YouTube.
Yun. Doon siya, parang nag-ano siya kung paano. Ay, screen record daw, ganyan. Dahil, magpusto ko kanina. Import ako ng import, hindi ko ma-import. Exact pa lang dapat. Sabi ko, ay, bobo ka talaga. Minsan talaga,
Asa ka nagkuan sa YouTube? Bas dali raman ang YouTube day. Ang uban ako music kay YouTube raman.
So, inano ko. Sabi ko, ate, ito na nga lang ako mag-ano.
If I'm being honest, I didn't mean to fall in love with you. It just kinda happened. Don't really know when. Just know that it's with you. That's making me nervous, 'cause I'm thinking you noticed. Let me know if you change your mind, 'cause when all we do is talk, it's impossible not to fall a little bit in love. But tell me if I'm wrong, or if I'm the only one. 'Cause I would leave my love behind and keep on talking to you. I just need a second, so I can hear it said. Leave it all to stay with you. I hate the distance, 'cause I'd rather listen. Anything to talk to you.
Magkaan, hindi ko alam kung bakit sabi.
Asa ba? Agi. Oh, kita.
Kasi di ba nasa ano siya?
Sa Eastgate.
Ito malapit na. Dito ba, dito ba?
Ang tabunan akong long.
Ano?
Wait, may videographer. Magi pa naman, magto-12 na in 7 minutes. Hello mga kachismisan, welcome back to my channel. Ito nga palang channel ko ito. Inagaw.
Alam mo, kambal. Ang galing mo kaya mag-vlog.
Hoy!
Ay, yung ano mo, ganyan. Witty ka kasi.
Wittiness
Sayang.
niya.
Ay, di, akin na pong vlog. Akin na pong vlog na
Balik mo
to.
na kasi na. Yung makanak na sampo.
Sino?
Tagal doon ng babae sa loob.
Magkamuhay ka naman. Hello! Nandito po tayo sa lugar kung nasaan may mga long neck.
What do you mean by long?
Turtleneck pala.
Ano yun, giraffe?
Long neck. Turtleneck pala kasi lumalamig na. Ano ba? Naputsang. Hindi pwedeng mag-vlog. Ayusin nyo lang grammar. Sabi sa'yo, aral-aral muna bago mag-vlog eh.
Ay, wala
Saan na punta natin?
Doon sa church. Mauwi tayo.
Masarap doon?
Thought to praying make it better, but I swear to God I'm just as lost as ever. Thought the bottle would hold me over. It still hurt me just as bad when I got sober. Everyone around me
Oh, balik na, kung saan, balik tayo dun sa ano.
All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach. If I keep on.
Hindi, mag-video po eh.
Mga kachismisan, ito po siya. Bali, dyan po nilalagay mga nahuhuli, mga nagsishoplifter. Ito po ay seat of shame. Ah, diba?
Oh, yan. Yung ma-shame ka.
Go, go, go. Kung nagbablog sa'yo, pa-shame ka. Ah, saan tayo mga... Ah, tingnan niyo po dito, Christmas na Christmas na...
Saan tayo?
Saan tayo?
Kaya ano lang siya tayo sa pangako? Eh?
Kung ko mag-tissue, pero meron akong tissue dito.
Pinapun. Harap mo kay Love.
Tissue. From home. Open sleigh, hey!
Ano yung sa kanya?
Scampi?
Ay, puta. Sa strong. Pinatay ka lang niya. Pinatay siya na.
Meron ako sa
Hindi mo
bag.
lang ako hinabol. Hindi. Wala mo lang. Ano?
Hindi kasi nakikisuti.
Picture natin ako. Ay! That's my watch.
Oh, water is running away.
I need my watch.
You do this guys like that. May bagong trick sila.
Ano na naman yan?
Tingin isa tayo. Isa sa cake.
Yung pag ganito na yung gawin nila. Ay, ano ba yan? Yatay ka.
Ano yan?
Cheers.
Ay, oh, may mga ganyan. Okay.
Go. Ganun talaga. Tingnan na. Pag yung palpak, yari ka sa akin.
Ay, oo nga.
Palpak.
Palpak na.
Oh, palpak.
Wala na video.
Palpak.
Sabi. Kunin nararamdaman ko.
Isa pa nga.
Nararamdaman ko may palpak. Ito.
Sama na natin yan.
Okay.
Yan na naman. Palpak na.
Oh. Nakuha yun. Nakuha sa camera ko na.
Sorry. Cheers. Tingnan na ako na.
Uy, iinom ako palpak man yan o hindi.